Hello CAMFive friends, welcome to another EMB video. My name is Hector and today I'm going to give you some tips for starting your own T-shirt embroidery business. There are many factors that you have to know when starting your embroidery business, and if you try those tips, we assure you that you'll be in the right way and will avoid unnecessary expenses. We're talking about the space where you start your business. Generally, lots of entrepreneurs start their projects in their own houses, lowering the cost and avoiding moving to other places. Your garage could be the right place to start it, and once your project takes off, you'll be able to move to a bigger place. This is a very important question to solve. It all depends on the amount of work that you can do. If you plan to make just a few embroideries, where you work a limited quantity, we recommend 1 or 2 single-headed machines. Those will let you work 2 different designs at the same time. On the other hand, if you want to embroider in mass production for a specific client or event, we recommend you invest in a double-head embroidery machine. As your business grows, you'll be able to buy more machines or an 8-head machine. Having order when you get your supplies is vital for your business finances to remain healthy. From high-quality materials that will give a good image to your products to smart shopping in matters of quantity, from knowing the basic supplies you need, like threads, needles, frames, fabrics, stabilizer, bobbin threads, among other things, to knowing your seasonal supplies. You'll meet many suppliers along the way that will help you have a successful business. Registering your business will be very beneficial in the future, because not only gives you access to special prices for some supplies, but also gives you tax-free shopping. You can do this by filing an IEN, or Employer Identification Number, on the IRS website. Then, file on articles of incorporation within your state and check on your local government any licensing, regulation, or permits. If you have any doubt, you can always get help from experts in the field. The customers are your business blood. They'll come with you and support you so your business grows. But it's very important to identify what kind of customers you want to have. You can structure a market niche where you focus all the business possibilities you can enter, like uniforms embroidery, embroidering for clothing brands, and many more. Also, you can take advantage of important dates and sell your products by the seasons, like Christmas, Easter, Halloween, Independence Day, among others. Having this is a must, as it allows you to pay for everything you need for your business. From ordinary costs, like electricity and supplies, to extraordinary expenses, like your machine's maintenance. Compare yourself with other local businesses, investigate different material prices, and give options to your customers. That will lead you on the right path. To set the price of your services, you'll have to see around your area for other business prices and set them depending on your competition and the clients that lead you. Nowadays, the internet has become a very important sales window, so having an excellent sales projection is essential for any business. Look at your competition and research your clients' needs. The key is innovation of your products. Get advice from professionals that can help you generate more income and take advantage of the opportunities that the internet has to offer you, such as an online store, social media, or a website. Thanks for watching! We hope this video gives you the tools that you need for starting your own embroidery business. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video about info and tips for your CAMFive EMB embroidery machine. My name is Hector. Till the next time.